Wakate 7th edition of Annual Open Rifle Shooting Championship to December 13 Likya Hall. Wakate Luishi, even the NIS shooting coach and Secretary Nagaland Shooting Sports Association Hito Suto special guest ahi paishe. Itu championship event to Waka District Rifle Association Khanpara organized Korea se itkute event laga winner to M Nyamo audio takishe aro second place there Rensan Thang audio, third place Ling Bemo Kitan, fourth place Hornbill Kikon aro fifth place to Yaren Thang Humsoi Khan takishe. This championship event so participant can certificate of participation paishe special guest hito supara sports shooting do motor skills aro physical power kane phal ase koigina highlight kurise aro players kan ke championship homoy calm aro compose thakibole janaishe optimal results kade event moment of silence observe kurise Waka District Rifle Association laga former member lead Yanbe Monguli ke yad kurigina itu event 50 participants kan thakishe kun kan para special guest opor gratitude express kurise tai laga demonstration aro invaluable technical insights kan dia karne program to Leonard Mojoi para chaired kurise aro crossway church workers Sumit Tariyani para invocatory dishe aro RMO and friends para special number present kurise last day vote of thanks to Yampo Tang Chami para dishe
sportsmanship. Each student an opportunity to showcase dedication and skills. So, aim high, shoot true, and let the spirit of competition bring you out the best in you.
To shoulder this kind of skills, we require some professionals to inculcate that kind of skills for us. Today we are very fortunate to have with us Hitosu, a professional shooter.
Actively since yesterday until the end of this event. I thank all the participants without which this annual shooting event would be a success.
Decade of my career as a shooter myself, as a coach myself, and also having trained so many athletes in the state, national level, even international also, and having produced national medalists. One of my students from Maharashtra, she's a national medalist, and so many medalists from Manipur also, since I was working in National Sports University. I have produced coaches, qualified coaches also. So after experiencing, coming across, all those talented athletes who has done very well in shooting, I strongly believe that we Nagas can excel in shooting. Now when I am even saying this, I am backing up with one of a very high profile shooter, ex-Olympian. He is an Abhinav Bindra. Have you heard about Abhinav Bindra? Anyone? 2008 Beijing Olympics gold medalist. He was the first gold medalist. After that, in the Tokyo 2020 Tokyo Olympics, Neeraj Chopra became the second individual gold medalist. So he commented on the advantages, how advantage we Mongolian race have on our body structure. Okay, our body structure is made as such. There are many inspiring stories. Even when I'm talking about Abhinav Bindra, he had a very severe back injury. He had a very severe back injury, but still he became world champion. And I can also give you one ex-army man, Vijay Kumar. Have you heard about Vijay Kumar? He's also an Indian. He's a 25-meter rapid fire event player. So what happened is that his spine had a problem with his spine. So he had to implant titanium, okay, which is stronger than iron. He had to implant it on his spine. Even after that also, he excelled. He won Olympics medal. So like that, bringing you a 19-year-old university student, okay, Virginia Treasure, is from USA. He also won gold medal in the Women Olympics. He's a university. I'm seeing that lots of college students are here. Then Tilotima Sen, currently in India, she will be representing India in the 10-meter air rifle event. She is just 13-14 years of age.